welcome back to another video. So today's video is going to be a Polygel set. This is a set I'm doing for another Charlie's Nail Art collab, and the theme for this one is Valentines, so it's going to be a Valentine's set. I'm using my Modelones Polygels today. I'm using 3 different colour pinks. So I'm using pearl pink, soft pink and pink. I'm going to need a clear as well. I think I'm going to use this Modelones gel polish as well. It's called Dancing With Me. It's one of their little mini bottles. And from Charlie's, I wanted to use this glitter. It's called Sweetheart. And it's like a white iridescent hex mix. And it's got little pink flowers in it. All different shaped heart, all different size hearts. It's a really cute little mix. I love this white iridescent it's got in it. It's beautiful. So I want to use that as well. So I'm just going to give these nails a quick base coat. I'm using Modelones base coat and top coats today. Everything Modelones today. I'm going to be using Modelones brush and alcohol. So yeah, I'm just going to give these nails a quick base coat and then we'll get started. Right, so I want this pink on these 2 nails, and on the pinky I'm going to do a bit of a marble with all 3 pinks. But these 2 nails, I just want these plain pink, pearl pink, so that's what I'm going to do first. It's an absolutely beautiful colour, this pearl pink from Modelones. I love it. I think it's my favourite pink from Modelones, definitely. I love it. It's like a proper bubblegum pink, isn't it? Right, so I'm going to get it as thin as I can and as neat as I can at that cuticle area, and then just tap it and pull it down the nail. If you're having nails this length as well, you're going to want a nice thickness around your apex area. You can either do it with this pink if you're just going to top coat it, or I suppose you could cap it in. You could go in after this pink's cured with a clear polygel and do your apex out of that. But when it's only on tips like this, I do tend to not really build much of an apex because, yeah, I'm a tight horse and I just think it's a bit of a waste putting a big thick apex on tips. But yeah, for nails this length you would need a decent thickness around your apex area to stop them from snapping. Right, I'm just going to quickly flash cure this one in the lamp and I'll do the second one. How cute is that pink? It's beautiful. I love it. Right, I'm going to do the same again on this pointer finger. Right, so that's them first 2 nails being cured. I've not filed and buffed them yet. I'll do all that at the end. So now I'm going to use these 3 different colour pinks. Pearl pink, soft pink and pink. And I've never done this. I've never done a marble using polygel before. But I'm going to try and do some sort of marble on this pinky using all 3 colours. So I'm just going to put just little bits of each colour dotted about on the nail, and we'll see how we get on. I'm probably going to end up putting way too much on, but I can always take some off if there's too much on. Oh, right, let's go with that. It looks a dog's dinner at the minute. Got a big splodge down the side of the cuticle. Not good. Not good. Right, let's see what we can create with this. I probably could have done with a darker pink. I've got a feeling these are all going to smear into one colour. I'm going to try my best to just try and marble them. Polygel's not the easiest of things to marble because it's quite thick, but I was just going to do a nail pink like that and do a marble with gel polish, but I wanted it to be a full polygel set really. So I thought I'll have a go at marbling with the polygel, see how we get on. I'm just going to play about with this until I get it how I want it. This is so difficult. Right, I don't think we've done too bad there. I don't think that's looking too bad at all. Just played around with it and took some off the end. I'm quite happy with that actually. Yeah, I like the look of that. Right, I'm going to get this cured in the lamp. And then we'll get this middle nail done. Yeah, I'm quite happy. I quite like the look of that. That's quite nice. Right, that's them all cured. What I'm going to do on this nail, that I want to encapsulate all this beautiful glitter, I'm going to give it a quick coat of base coat, and we're going to cure the glitter into the base coat. And then we'll use, I think I might use builder gel to encapsulate this glitter, because the last couple of times I've encapsulated glitter in my Modelones clear polygel, I've lost a lot of the, like, just the vibrancy from the glitter. It's gone a bit dull. So yeah, I think I'm going to use, instead of clear polygel on this glitter nail, I think I'm going to use a builder gel. But right, let's get this glitter on anyway. Right, I'm just going to use a little tiny detailer brush just to place some of these bigger pieces onto the nail, like these big flowers and some of the smaller hearts. And then I'll probably just sprinkle some of the rest of the glitter on. But I want a full cover of this glitter. I want it to cover the full nail. So I'm just going to play about with it, get it all where I want it to be, and then we'll get it cured in the lamp. That's that completely covered now. Such a pretty glitter. I love that. Look at the flowers and the love hearts. So cute. Right, I'm going to get that cured in the lamp now for 30 seconds. That's that completely cured now, that glitter. Rather than encapsulate it in the clear polygel, I'm going to encapsulate it in this builder gel. Just because I think it's a lot clearer. And last time I encapsulated glitter with my clear polygel, the glitter just lost a lot of its sparkle, and yeah, I wasn't really happy with it. So I'm going to use this builder gel to encapsulate it. The glitter should stay where I've put it. I might get the odd little fleck that wants to run away, but should stay where it is. I'm going to get it as close to the cuticle area as I can, without touching it, obviously. And then I'm just gonna kind of circle it side to side and drag it down the nail. I'm really not experienced with builder gel, but as long as I completely encapsulate that glitter, we can file it and buff it smooth afterwards. just kind of tickle it down the nail like that, side to side, side to side. That's how I see people doing it, and it's worked. That all looks encapsulated to me. Just going to give it a couple of seconds just to self-level, and then we'll get that cured in the lamp. Right guys, that's them all being filed and buffed. I'm quite happy with how this pinky turned out. I like this transparent polygel in between. I really like that. Right, what I've done is I've put some of this Dancing With Me on my palette, and what I want to do on these plain pink nails is just give them a little bit of a border like around the edge. I'm just going to use this really skinny mini brush. I've bent it, but I'm hoping if I get it wet and use it a little bit it won't be bent no more, because I've not used this brush yet, I don't think, and it's bent. Anyway, yeah, just from the edge of the fingertip all the way around, I just want a little pink border. It's quite sheer, this gel polish, so I'll probably have to give it 2 coats.
Everything you're fighting for.
Right guys, that's them 2 done and cured. So what I'm going to do on these 2 same nails, I've pulled out these 2 tiny little love hearts out of this glitter mix, and I just want to put one on the end of these nails. Actually, I don't know if to put them at the top or the bottom, not sure. Not sure, we'll see. Right. I don't know whether to put them at the top or the bottom. I think we'll put them at the top. Yeah, we'll put them at the top. I think they look cute, don't they? Right, I'm going to stick them in the lamp for 30 seconds. What I'm going to do as well, I'm going to give them another base coat over the top, just so I can file and buff them and completely encapsulate them love hearts. So yeah, we'll do that. Right guys, so all that's left to do is top coat. So I'm going to go in with my Modelones top coat. I'm not going to put any bling on this set. I don't think it needs any bling. I like it the way it is. I'm really happy with how this little pinky turned out. I really love it. I think I'm going to do that again. I really like how that looks. I'm going to put a nice generous layer of top coat on these ones, just because where I give them pink stripes 2 coats, it's quite raised. So, oh, we ready for this glitter to come to life? Woo! This glitter's so pretty. That's my new favourite from Charlie's, without a doubt. I love it. Right guys, I'm going to stick them in the lamp now for 30 seconds and that's them finished. Okay, there we go, that's them finished. I really like them. I always say that, don't I? Actually, no, I don't always say that. Sometimes I'm always picking them apart, aren't I? But I really like this. I really love how, like, it's got layers to it. Really liking that. So pretty. Remember guys, I always forget to say it, I've got a discount code for Charlie's Nail Art. It's always up in the it's always up on the screen, and the link's always in my description box. I always forget to mention that. Save yourself 10%. But anyway, that is it for today guys. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel yet, I would love for you to subscribe. Hit that little bell as well so you never miss an upload. And hopefully I'll see you all in my next one. Take care. Bye.